Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cellular. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So DJ Tira trended 2 days ago on all social media platforms while he was at Mampintsha's funeral as he ignored a call as Mampintsha's father was on stage paying tribute to his son Mampintsha. Now a video of that call was captured on camera and Tira detectives managed to screenshot that call and zoom in on the numbers, and he saved those numbers of a very beautiful lady as Dorosa. And once again, those detectives managed to see that lady's status, and it turns out that she is actually a healer, a spiritual healer, a prayer warrior to be specific, as the status reads as follows. Phathama Kendlele 2 amhlophe nomnikelo ka200 uze sixazulule simo sakho ngohlala simdumezulu sigodi ezimhlophe ndungaka nakalisukuma. Now you guys, please forgive me for butchering isiZulu. Now, you guys, people were quick to assume that she was his side chick until they saw her status. Others were alleging that the reason as to why he went to consult her was that Mampintsha can win Song of the Year, you guys. Now, please do engage with me in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.